Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make chocolate chip cake. Before we start the recipe, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to watch our latest videos. Now, let's see the ingredients for chocolate chip cake. 4 eggs, 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of cocoa powder, 100 grams of sugar, 5 ml of vanilla essence, 100 grams of choco chips, sugar syrup and whipped cream. Now, first let's see the process of making sponge. Take a mixing bowl, crack 4 eggs and beat with the electrical beater. When eggs are enough fluffy, add sugar spoon by spoon. And keep on blending continuously. When sugar perfectly melts in the egg mixture, add vanilla essence, cocoa powder and all-purpose flour. Now fold the flour with egg mixture There should not be any lumps in the cake batter. On the other hand, take the cake mold, grease your cake mold with the oil or butter. And dust all the sides with flour as I am showing you in the video. Now pour the cake batter in the mold. And tap it 3 to 4 times so that batter settles in cake mold. Bake this cake batter in a preheated oven at 190 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. Here, our cake is done. So just take out from the oven and demold it carefully. So here our sponge is ready. Make 2 layers of cake sponge. Here you can see I have cut these into 2 layers. Now keep the top layer aside. Just sprinkle the sugar syrup on the sponge. We are adding this sugar syrup to make the sponge soft and sweet. You can also add this sugar syrup according to your sweetness. Now spread the whipped cream place it on the bottom layer. You can see here I have turned the top layer and I have placed it on the bottom layer. Now again sprinkle the sugar syrup at the top. After adding sugar syrup, just cover your cake with whipped cream. With the help of spatula, give shape to your cake. Here you can see my cake sponge is covered with whipped cream. Now make it smooth on all the sides. Here, now it's time to decorate our cake with choco chips. Take some choco chips on your palm and just stick it to the cake. And also sprinkle some choco chips at the top of the cake. Now with the help of a piping bag, place flowers. Now place cherries. The tasty and delicious chocolate chips cake is ready to taste. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our today's chocolate chip cake. So this was our today's recipe. Please do like our videos, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.